Hi, I'm Praveen from help2type. Are you having problems connecting your haptic keyboard with Bluetooth? I can show you how you can fix that easily. Just follow these steps. First, you should charge your keyboard for up to 4 hours. Then check if your on button is on the correct position. For Android, it should be in the middle, and for iOS devices, it should be all to the left. If that's done, check if your help2type keyboard isn't connected with another device. If so, please deactivate your help2type keyboard on your old device. Now that's done, you can activate Bluetooth on your smartphone. Then start searching for devices. If you see help2type, click on it and then connect it. Sometimes your keyboard will show as BK and a following number. If that's the case, just click on BK and following number. After the connection is done, it should show you the correct name, help2type. If all the previous steps didn't work out, maybe try to restart your smartphone. Maybe this will help. Have fun with your keyboard.